Good afternoon. You have arrived to the last roomie date vlog officially. Reporting live from the living room, we got my lovely roomie.
Who's here suffering without the music.
Who's suffering without the music, otherwise copyright. But she's about to cook us a delicious meal. Can you tell us more about it?
Wow, it's pasta alla genovese. We got, follow me. We got the linguine.
The linguine.
Linguine. And you need 30 cloves of garlic.
Ooh.
A whole plant of a basil washed.
She did that.
Plucked.
Plucked.
Expensive as panko pizza. I don't know what the word is in English.
The seeds, expensive.
Parmigiano.
What is it? Cheese. Cheese. You gotta have cheese.
And lots of olive oil.
Olive oil.
And that's it. And then we put the cream sauce on top at the end. Dinner served.
Did it. We are actually moving out very soon, and that means that there will be no more roomie date nights in this apartment.
You don't know. Maybe in April.
Maybe when she returns from Korea, because she's about to leave my ass right as we are about to move out. But the reason why she's cooking us this delicious 5-star meal today is because she told me this is something she's good at, and she wanted to cook it for me for the past 2 years. But the day has finally arrived.
Oh, real?
The deadline did it. The deadline did it. So we're gonna be experiencing it together. And later tonight we're gonna go to the cinema. We're gonna go see Dune.
Yeah.
It's the thing we do. We go to the cinema together. It's lovely.
Even if we think it's gonna be boring, we want the snacks.
We both don't know what Dune 1 was about anymore. I told her about this worm. She's confused about a worm. I was like, that's the whole plot of the movie, isn't it? So we're about to be in for a surprise because we both have no clue what's going on, and the movie is 3 hours long. But we're gonna have our snackies and our drinks, and it's gonna be a good evening. So let's enjoy. And the music can go back on. Oké, met bij voor een beetje de ene waar jij net zegt van gaat.
But come off, I guess. But what's happening?
Ik zag een video en toen zeiden ze, guess who's the Chaewon of the group? En dan de comments waren, is Chaewon in the room with us?
Oh, that's
Chaewon is the friend that we made along the way. I guess I'm Chaewon's anyone. Reporting live again from the kitchen. What's going on?
Put this at the bottom of the plate. Our sauce is in the works. I gotta stir soon to make it thick. Then we put in the pasta and everything goes on.
The sauce, the pasta, and it goes on top of this. Wow. Wow. We're getting served. She's putting on the pasta. Oh. You do what you gotta do with what you got.
You do what you gotta do with what you got.
Live advice, big sis advice. Oh, equally shared, equally shared.
I'm not good at it.
Not you wondering if it's enough when it seems like it's quite a lot.
I know. It's hard when you put it in and it seems like so little and it comes out as
I got a chef. Qualified. Hotel school qualified. She did
my
it.
cooking certificate and everything.
Oh, next for a swirl. The flick of the wrist. It's the flick of the wrist.
Okay. Now it's all even. It's like evenly distributed.
Wow. Wow. So it's served. We're vlogging it, obviously. The TikToks, the YouTubers. First bite taste test. The
Approved?
Mm-hmm.
No.
Creamy. Very creamy.
I cooked a meal. Finally.
I provided.
I get what your dad saw in it. I get why he stole the recipe.
Why he acted like a whole intern at the restaurant.
Let me take notes. I feel like my roomie hasn't been featured in my vlogs a lot because I didn't do any home vlogs. So while we're at it, it's time for Q&A. Let's see. Let's test her. Let's test her. Let's test her. Which year did we meet?
2000.
2000.
2021.
2021.
One of the two. I'm low-key right. You were in my mind. Right? You were in my heart.
Where do we know each other from?
I saw your TikTok that you were dyeing your hair. And I was like, let me shoot with you. And then we met up to shoot.
It's a social media connection.
Real.
Continuing the quiz.
Oh no.
How many concerts have we been to together? Well, you're thinking a little too long with that one.
One right. Oops. Hanbin and Icon.
Who did you forget?
Hmm?
Who did you forget?
Hanbin.
I knew it. I knew it.
I was like, we went to Icon.
We went to 2 concerts together, Icon and Hanbin. What's the last cinema movie that we watched together as we're going to the cinema today?
Babylon? From Full Sound.
Barbie.
Barbie?
Because we saw Barbie together.
Mm-hmm.
Barbie! Grammy award winning, Oscar winning. Grammy? No. Grammy winning, Oscar winning, everything winning movie.
We saw that moment in history together.
How many times did we go abroad together in our millionaire households moment?
3 times. Fashion Week, Icon, and like Düsseldorf trip, and the first Düsseldorf trip. Right? Did I get one? She never asked me to do this.
No, it's making me throw up. She got that one right. We'll give it to her.
Ding, ding, ding!
Ding, ding, ding.
Mamma mia. It's me, Mario.
What else can we ask her? When did we move in here?
No.
April. Well, May. Officially. 2022.
2022.
Yeah.
Truth. We made it all the way to 2024. Did she move in while there was no light, no nothing? Yeah. Did she live in an empty house? Yeah. She did that.
Period.
Why are we calling this the millionaire household?
Because we said we're gonna get rich together.
Did we get rich together?
Look at us. I almost cried buying those pie mopeds.
We have never been this broke before. But millionaire household will continue.
But we're rich in experience.
We're rich in experience. Especially the roomie, as she's been to everywhere, basically. No rest.
Suffering.
Jet set life. So she's leaving me for Korea, which will be her 3rd time in Korea within a year. So you guys should go and subscribe to her. I'll put her subscription or her YouTuber name here.
Not the promo.
She's doing vlogs of all her trips. She goes to Fashion Week, Paris Fashion Week all the time.
So
it's
here. I go to Fashion Week, bitches.
What is your most memorable thing about the 2 years of living here?
Almost dying.
She started dying early on when we just moved in. It hasn't stopped. But did it stop her in her tracks?
No.
No.
No, but for real, I don't know. Maybe the first summer. I was bound to the house because I couldn't walk, and we spent so much time here and on the balcony.
The balcony times were good times.
For real.
Let's change the outfits because we're gonna go to the cinema and I want to be comfy, and I'm for sure gonna wear a hoodie because the movie's gonna take 3 hours, so comfort is key. I'll go with my trusty Stussy hoodie that is super warm and comfortable because I do tend to get cold in the cinemas. And then I feel like the bottom could just be lounge pants like I'm wearing right now, but it does give a fully sloppy vibe, and am I gonna go for that? I think we should not really care because we're gonna go to the cinema. I'm gonna wear black lounge pants with it. We are now on our way. It's very dark in the back so you can't see her, but we are.
I'm not here. She's lying.
We are passenger princesses because we are not driving, as you can see. Oh, okay. He said no more vlogging.
Already green.
It is. I got my hot chocolate. She got her tea. Myself a mixed popcorn. Mike is getting her candies. Oh, in the bag. We got our little snackies. We got the roomie undercover in her hoodie. It seems like I'm always ending my vlogs in this mirror, but just because it looks cute, it looks cozy. Anyway, we just got back from the movie Dune 2, and I think it's a lot better than Dune 1. So if you saw Dune 1, then you should definitely go and see Dune 2. And there were a lot of things happening, and I was like, what's going on? I kept telling my roomie what's going on. But yeah, we made it 3 hours. It is time to finally rest. It's the weekend, so I'm gonna chill. Tomorrow I have no plans, so yeah. Roomie, final words. She's dead. She dead. She not alive no more.
No more.
In case you're wondering what that looks like, it looks like that. Goodbye, good night. Until next time.
Dit is net alsof dit onze laatste avond is.
It is! You're leaving!
And I'm coming back.
Even though we're at home the whole day tomorrow, but still, this is the last time I'm vlogging it, so it's basically the last time. Goodbye.
Go to my channel, I'll vlog more.
Go to Mike's channel, she'll vlog more.
I'll vlog this whole weekend with the phone.